Part regeneration process. For Eicher trucks and buses, regeneration is the process of burning of the soot particles accumulated in the diesel particulate filter, or DPF, with a very high temperature. This makes sure that the filter does not clog and keeps the truck at peak performance. Regeneration can be performed in two ways. Automatic regeneration, which is done automatically during the vehicle running condition, no action required by the driver. In the cluster, the green regeneration lamp will be on during the automatic regeneration. Part regeneration. The driver needs to manually perform this action. This video will help you understand part regeneration and the steps to perform this process. Part regeneration should be started manually as soon as possible whenever the yellow regeneration lamp and the message regeneration required are shown in the cluster display. This warning is initiated when the amount of soot load in the DPF tops 80%. However, if the yellow warning is ignored by the driver and when the DPF is 90% choked, the red regeneration lamp lights up and the message immediate regeneration required is shown in the cluster display. Because there is a very high temperature involved to burn off the soot particles, there are certain factors that one should consider while performing part regeneration. Let us now learn how to perform part regeneration by using the regeneration switch. 1. Park the vehicle on a clean, dry, hard, and fire hazard-free surface. An open place with good ventilation should be preferred. 2. Apply chokes on front and rear wheels. 3. Leave the gear lever in neutral position and apply the parking brake. 4. Switch off the air conditioning system. 5. Disengage PTO. 6. The inhibit switch should be in off condition. 7. Accelerator, brake, and clutch should be in the released position. 8. Start the vehicle and warm up the engine. For this, run the engine at idle for 5 to 10 minutes at full RPM to reach 80 degrees centigrade. 9. Bring the engine to idle RPM. 10. Press the regeneration switch for 5 seconds and then release. The engine RPM increases. A green regeneration lamp and the message regeneration in progress will appear in the cluster display. This means that part regeneration has started. After the regeneration process is completed, the engine speed drops, the green color lamp goes out, and a message regeneration completed is displayed. For light and medium duty trucks and buses with inline EATs, the regeneration process takes approximately 25 to 30 minutes. For heavy duty trucks and buses with box type EATs, this process takes approximately 45 to 50 minutes.